Okay, today I will teach about how to use if, else, if. Okay, it sounds like really complex, but don't afraid that I will explain to you on today how to use it. The first thing we know how to use the condition if else. But what about if and inside the curly bracket have if too? What is happen? Okay, I already pin is on display. Do it on the screen that you see. Okay, I will describe about my code first. First, I let the user input the first value and keep it in X, and the second value keep it in Y. Okay, and my condition is check if X greater than 10, it will come inside the curly bracket. Okay, the statement it will lead from the top to the low down. C language lead command like a waterfall on the top to down. Okay, this detail I was tell you already in I think in the first clip or second clip. Okay. Okay, now when if x greater than 10, it will come inside this. If not, it will not do anything. It will skip and not do anything. But if greater than 10, it will do in this curly bracket and do the next statement. So next statement is condition if y is greater than 10. If y not greater than 10, it will skip and print x greater than 10. But if it greater than y, it will come inside this statement. Follow my cursor mouse, okay? Come inside this, and it will print show on the screen x and y greater than 10. Okay, to solve that is 10. Then when finished, it will get out from the curly bracket to this. For this state, it will print x greater than 10. So if x greater than 10 and y greater than 10, it will print show on the screen x and y greater than 10 and x greater than 10. Okay, I will show you for see the picture. Okay, first thing, input the first value. The first value I keep it by variable x. Greater than 10 is 100. Oh, sorry, 100, and the second value is 102. So it will happen like this: x and y greater than 10. The first check this statement, this condition first. X greater than 10, right? Okay, it's 100. So next is y. Do in the statement in the bracket. If y greater than 10, it will print x and y greater than 10. When it finish, it will get out from the inside if the curly bracket to get out and read it from this, and it will print x the utter list for utter list and x greater than 10 like this in this step. Okay, but what happen if I input only x greater than 10? Okay, 100 and y is 0. It will print only show or display only x greater than 10. But why? Okay, follow my cursor mouse. Okay, BNF, keep it in x, keep it in y. X is 100, y is 0. So my condition is if x greater than 10, if you leave in this and check in this statement y is greater than or not, greater than 10 or not. If it's not greater than 10, if you skip and do this statement instead. Okay, so it may may com, com, conflict conflict no complex. Okay, sorry about my spelling. Okay, it may complex, but if you know the structure of it really easy. Check first x equal to x greater than 10. If yes, do is inside this bracket. If not, skip it to the next step. And if it yes, it will check the next statement. If y greater than 10, it will print x y like this. And the next step, when it finished, it will print this x greater than 10. Okay. This if use if condition inside if condition. Okay, what about the if else if? It's like this: if else if. Well, okay, how is different from if and else? How is different from if and inside have if? Okay, we'll describe it. When you if and inside if, it will check two times, right? Right. First check is x. The second check is y. But if I use else, if x greater than 10, it will show on the screen hello. But if not, it will show on the screen like this. I will goodbye. Okay, if x greater than 10, it will print hello. That I was say you already how to use it. Okay, like this. Hello. Okay, but if it's lower than 10, it will print goodbye, or you input a character A. It will click and it will print hello, because lowercase a is equal to 65 in ASCII code. So now that a keep the integer value, but it is a character, so it will transition of a to be a integer value that is 65. As I remember, it may be mistake. You can see it in the ASCII code on the Google, on the internet that you search. Okay. Now, if else that I will tell you in the last clip. Oh no, in the yes, last clip. The next is if and else if. What it happen? Okay. If we use if a greater than 10, it will print hello. But if I change it to else, if you print goodbye, if you not the value that you input is not greater than 10. Okay, but now if I we will explain what about this code, how it works. The first check x is greater than 10 or not. If yes, printf hello, but if not, it will check in this condition. If y greater than 10, if you printf goodbye. But in the first step, if x greater than 10, if it greater than 10, it will reach in printf hello and get out from this skip to this get out from the else if. It's like if first condition is true, it will do it, and the next state it will not do anything, it will skip. So if the next state the first condition is mistake, if not greater than 10, it will check the next condition. If it's true, it will do in the statement, in the second statement, but if it's not true, it will skip it. Okay. Now I input x 0 is less than 10, and second value is is not greater than 10 or 20. So it will show on display goodbye like this. Okay. Now today is all that thing I tell you. How to use if and have if inside. How to use if else if. Okay, you also can else too. If x and y is not greater than 10, it will do something, and I will show it. X and y mistake. It will show on the screen. X and y is not 10. Like this, 0 and 0. So x and y is mistake. L is like if it's not in this condition or this condition, it will display x and y mistake immediately. Okay, today we finished how to use if and inside if, how to use if else if. Okay, the next clip I will tell you how to use the switch case. Switch case is very similar if else condition. Switch case is also the condition. Okay, I will tell you in the next clip. Okay, see you soon. If I have mistake or I'm not fluency to teach you, I'm apologize about that. Thanks for watching.